Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to embark on a journey through the untold story of one of the world's most iconic and influential brands, Nike. From its humble beginnings to its meteoric rise in the sports and fashion industry, the story of Nike is nothing short of extraordinary. If you're curious about the untold secrets behind the swoosh, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the untold story of Nike. The birth of Nike. The story of Nike begins in Eugene, Oregon, in the early 1960s. It was here that two individuals, Phil Knight and Bill Bowerman, came together to lay the foundation for what would become a global sports and lifestyle brand. Phil Knight was a track and field athlete at the University of Oregon who went on to earn his MBA at Stanford. His vision was to create high-quality athletic footwear inspired by his travels in Japan. Bill Bowerman, Knight's former track coach at the University of Oregon, was an innovator in running shoe design. His passion for creating better athletic footwear was infectious. Blue Ribbon Sports. Before Nike became Nike, the company operated under the name Blue Ribbon Sports. Knight and Bowerman founded this venture in January 1964 as a distributor for the Japanese shoemaker Onitsuka Tiger, now Asics. In 1964, the company made its first sale at a track meet. Knight sold the shoes out of the trunk of his car, marking the humble beginnings of what would become a global giant. The famous Nike swoosh logo, designed by Caroline Davidson in 1971, made its debut. It symbolized motion, speed, and the wing of the Greek goddess Nike. The journey to becoming Nike wasn't without its share of challenges. In 1971, the decision was made to rebrand the company as Nike. 1. Legal battles. The transition to Nike came with legal battles. The company faced lawsuits from Onitsuka Tiger due to the name change and the development of their own line of shoes. 2. First retail store. Nike opened its first retail store, Blue Ribbon Sports, in Santa Monica, California, in 1966. This marked the beginning of a shift from distribution to a retail-oriented business model. Innovation and endorsements. One of Nike's keys to success has been its relentless focus on innovation and strategic endorsements. 1. Waffle sole. Bill Bowerman famously created the waffle sole, designed by pouring rubber into a waffle iron, leading to the creation of a lighter and more cushioned shoe. 2. Just Do It. In 1988, Nike launched the iconic Just Do It campaign, which became a cultural phenomenon and solidified the brand's connection with athletics and determination. 3. Endorsements. Nike's endorsement deals with athletes like Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, LeBron James, and Serena Williams played a pivotal role in the brand's ascent. Controversies and corporate responsibility. As Nike grew into a global giant, it faced controversies related to labor practices and corporate responsibility. 1. Sweatshop allegations. In the 1990s, Nike faced allegations of using sweatshop labor in overseas factories. The company took these criticisms seriously and began implementing changes to improve factory conditions. 2. Corporate responsibility. Nike has since focused on corporate responsibility and sustainability. It has made significant efforts to reduce its environmental footprint and promote fair labor practices. Nike in pop culture and fashion. Beyond sports, Nike became a cultural icon. It made its mark in music, film, and fashion, becoming a symbol of self-expression and empowerment. 1. Hip-hop and streetwear. Nike sneakers became a staple in hip-hop and streetwear culture. Iconic designs like Air Jordans became sought-after fashion statements. 2. Pop culture references. Nike's presence in popular culture extends to movies, TV shows, and music videos, cementing its status as a symbol of coolness and athleticism. Nike's impact on sports and society. Nike's impact extends beyond fashion and culture. It has played a significant role in the evolution of sports and society. 1. Sport innovations. Nike's commitment to innovation has led to advancements in sports performance, from groundbreaking shoe technology to apparel designs that enhance athletes' abilities. 2. Social initiatives. Nike has been involved in social initiatives, including support for gender equality and diversity in sports, as well as campaigns against discrimination. Nike's future and conclusion. Today, Nike is a global brand synonymous with excellence, innovation, and empowerment. Its journey from a small distributor to a global giant is nothing short of remarkable. 1. Nike's future. As Nike looks to the future, it continues to invest in innovation, sustainability, and social responsibility, ensuring that it remains a leader in sports and lifestyle. 2. Conclusion. The untold story of Nike is a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and innovation. It's a story that inspires athletes, creators, and dreamers around the world to just do it. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the untold story of Nike. If you found it as fascinating as we did, please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Until next time, keep pursuing your dreams and never underestimate the power of a comeback.